Digital marketing isn't just a trend. It's the backbone of modern business growth. Whether you're a small business owner or an aspiring marketer, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about digital marketing in Twintal 5. Welcome to Digitally Rise. You rise, we rise. Let's rise together. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of online platforms, tools, and strategies to promote products and services to a targeted audience. It includes channels like websites, search engines, social media, email, and even AI-powered campaigns. Unlike traditional marketing, it offers real-time analytics, precise targeting, and measurable results. Key components of digital marketing. Let's break it down into key components. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing websites to rank higher on search engines for organic traffic. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. Paid ads on Google, Facebook, or Instagram for quick visibility. Content marketing, blogs, videos, infographics, and podcasts that provide value and build trust. Social media marketing, using platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube to engage audiences. Email marketing, building relationships through personalized emails and automated campaigns. Affiliate and influencer marketing, collaborating with creators and affiliates to promote products. Analytics and data tracking, measuring performance with tools like Google Analytics and AI dashboards. Why digital marketing matters in 25? In 2025, consumer behavior is more digital than ever. People spend hours online researching products, comparing reviews, and watching video content before making a purchase. Businesses that don't leverage digital marketing risk falling behind competitors who use AI, personalization, and data-driven campaigns to connect with customers. How to start with digital marketing. Start small but smart. Build a website, optimize it for SEO, and create valuable content. Use social media to engage your audience and test paid ads to accelerate results. Finally, track performance, analyze data, and improve continuously. Digital marketing is the future of business growth. Which area do you want to learn about in detail? SEO, social media, or AI marketing? Comment below and we'll create a full guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitally Rise. Where you rise, we rise. Let's rise together.